Starting around 21 walk 2024 hex is exchanging at $0.226 in terms of its iced rate with the value change of 0.8% in very most recent 60 minutes, or so they explicitly thought. Hex generally has a complete market cap of $443.9268 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $791.131, which truly is genuinely critical. This, for the most part, makes hex by and large positioning at 220 in the cryptographic money market, which in a real sense is very huge. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the hex cost expectation end of 2024, what will hex fundamentally be especially worth in 2024? Is hex a for the most part wise venture or worth purchasing in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Will hex cost really outperform its unequaled high, which fundamentally is very huge? These for the most part are our hex cost expectations for hex's future, which in a real sense is very critical. Hex value expectation 2024 as per the hex figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the hex cost in a real sense is supposed to in every way that really matters cross a normal value level of $0.95, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of hex toward the finish of the very current year ought to sort of be $0.34, or so they sort of thought. Besides, hex can sort of arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme value level of $0.39. Hex value expectation walk 2024. Concerning walk 2024, hex cost essentially is estimate to arrive at the most minimal cost of $2.4 in an unobtrusive manner. The hex cost could in every practical sense arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $2.27 with a genuinely normal expected cost around $0.26, which in every practical sense is very huge. Hex value figure April 2024. In April 2024 the cost of hex in every practical sense is gauged to truly be at around a sort of least worth of $0.26, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The hex value worth can truly arrive at a kind of limit of $0.88 with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $0.27 in USD, which in a real sense is very critical. Hex value expectation May 2024. The cost of hex for the most part is truly anticipated to for the most part reach at an essentially least worth of $0.97 in May 2024, which in every practical sense is very critical. The hex cost could especially arrive at a greatest worth of $0.99 with a really normal exchanging worth of $0.98 all through 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Hex value expectation June 2024. The cost of hex generally will be by and large anticipated to fundamentally reach at least worth of $0.98 in June 2024 in an exceptionally significant way. The hex cost could generally arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $0.31 with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.99 all through 2024 in a truly significant manner. Hex value expectation July 2024. Hex cost is supposed to especially reach between $0.98 to $0.92 in July 2024, while the truly normal cost of hex for the July truly remains around $0.00. Hex value figure August 2024. In August 2024, the truly greatest cost for hex could sort of stretch around $0.33, which in a real sense is very critical. Besides, the minimum cost of hex in August 2024 by and large is $0 with a really normal cost of $0.31 in an unpretentious manner. Hex value expectation September 2024. The cost for hex in September 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.00 and $0.34 in a really significant manner, while the really normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.31, which in every practical sense is very huge. Hex value expectation October 2024. Hex cost by and large is supposed to generally reach between $0.32 to $0.36 in October 2024, while the sort of typical cost of hex for the October explicitly remains around $3 hex value gauge. November 2024. With respect to November 2024, hex for the most part is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a fundamentally least value worth of $32. The hex cost could in every practical sense arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $37 with the exceptionally normal cost around $34, which truly demonstrates the way that the hex cost could arrive at a truly greatest worth of $89 with a typical exchanging worth of $98 all through 2024, which by and large is very critical. Hex value figure December 2024. The Hex gauge for December 2024 expects that the hex may arrive at a very greatest worth of $39 with a kind of least cost of around $34. Genuinely further appearance how the hex value worth can fundamentally arrive at a sort of limit of $28 with a sort of typical exchanging worth of $27 in est in an unobtrusive way. Discussing the really normal value hex can essentially stretch around $135 for December, which truly is very critical. Hex pretty past value examination in the exact beyond 24 hours. The crypto fundamentally has been truly diminished by 656% in its by and large current worth, exhibiting how hex value expectation October 2024. Hex cost especially is supposed to sort of reach between $92 to $96 in October 2024, while the truly normal cost of hex for the October especially remains around $93 hex value gauge November 2024. With respect to November 2024, hex for the most part is supposed to, in every practical sense, arrive at least value worth of $32, or so they basically thought. Assuming we think about the fundamentally current market cap of the hex with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, which really is genuinely critical. From most finish of 2024, which generally is genuinely critical. Hexes in every practical sense have a future in an extremely large way. As far as cost, hex sort of has an exceptional by and large potential to, all things considered, arrive at new levels, which especially is very critical. It in a real sense is conjecture that hex will increment in esteem, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. As per especially unambiguous specialists and business examiners, hex can raise a ruckus around town, the greatest cost of $2 till 2030. Most certainly further appearance how from truly most recent 7 days the hex sort of was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 5-12% by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Is hex worth purchasing in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Hex is worth most certainly is supposed to really keep on growing, as lack will in general by and large support cost rise, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. If it's not too much trouble, note, there generally is a gamble to any speculation, which sort of is genuinely huge. Just basically put resources into what you can in every way that really matters, achieve prior to reaching any resolutions, and lead the truly most extreme exploration conceivable, exhibiting how as per especially unambiguous specialists and business experts, hex can truly stir things up around town, the greatest cost of $2 till 2030, fundamentally further appearance how from essentially most recent 7 days, the hex truly was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 5-12% in a genuinely huge manner.